can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love.
What's up, baddies? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm getting some stuff done for my birthday, so I'm getting my nails done. So y'all gonna come with me with that. Y'all see I'm looking weak right now, but it is what it is. This is the stage before the process, before, you know what I'm saying, before you turn into the baddie. Like, this is the stage in the beginning that you gotta go through. But anyways, tomorrow I'm gonna be getting my lashes done. I was out today, so I was trying to get a little bit done, but that's the only thing I really get done is my nails. So as of tomorrow, I'll be getting my lashes done. That's gonna be in the morning because I do have to work tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna get my lashes done in the morning. And y'all gonna come with me with that. Honestly, I'm so last minute with my birthday stuff, and it's really sad. But yeah, I got a makeup appointment on my actual birthday, either on Friday or Saturday. But y'all gonna be with me anyway, so it don't even matter what day it is. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna vlog my whole pre-game, birthday, during the birthday process, my weekend, because I'm gonna be outside all weekend. My friend Ruth, the birthday is gonna be on the 15th. That's gonna be Sunday because my birthday is on Saturday. So yeah, you know we have to be outside. Like, we have to, okay? Yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm getting my nails done. Or I might just show y'all the before and after. Y'all see the before, so y'all gonna see how my nails looking afterwards, baby. Yeah.
Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist. I might not pack my bag and don't say shit. I got what it takes to say this.
So I'm back at home. As y'all can see, I got my lashes done. Oh y'all, it's been a morning. My birthday tomorrow, but we're not gonna worry about it. I'm gonna get this last video out for y'all, the Zoo Lights video. I ain't even had time to edit, do nothing, because I've been running around for my birthday. So tonight I do have a hair appointment. I need to take this wig off. Y'all don't want to see what's under here, but we need to take this off. And I got some alcohol, so I'm gonna just go ahead and put that on there. This is my first wig, so I had to ask people and look it up and all type of shit. I'm about to take that wig off and take my hair down, wash it, etc. So yeah. What's up, y'all? So, oh, my eyes getting a little red, but I just got through washing and blow drying my hair. Yeah, I took that wig out. I need to put some oil on my edges because, baby, that wig was a struggle to take out, for real. But yeah, y'all see me, I'm looking a little childish right now. But yeah, I am gonna be on the way to my hair appointment, and I'm gonna let y'all see a few clips, few snippets here and there. Y'all see the nails. I gotta play with them while I got these long ass nails in. Y'all, this is the longest I ever in life got in my nails. But y'all see the Capricorn. Y'all see it on the neck too. But my birthday tomorrow. My birthday tomorrow.
Yeah, I pull up, roll the window down it. I pull up, roll the window down it. Yeah, I pull up, roll the window down it. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Wait a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drawn, gun a nigga down with. I'm on that slaughter, yeah, shit. Murder.
In half a mile, keep left to merge onto Cape.
Okay, what's up, y'all? I have not really been updating y'all, but you know, it's a lot been going on. My car got towed. I had to get my car out. That's when I got my lashes done. That's what I didn't record for y'all. I was just gonna do a little clip or two anyways. But
Use the left lane to keep left to merge onto Katy Freeway.
Which I did see me get my eyebrows done. So yeah, y'all, my car got towed and all type of dumb shit. So like the first day it was at
Keep
2.
left.
The first day it was at 278. Like, damn. But anyways, I had to get that out. I wasn't tripping, whatever. So I just came and got my outfit. I got my shoes, purse, whatever. And now I'm on the way to get my makeup. Okay, thank you. I'm on the way to get my makeup done right now. Yeah, she's still on the north side, so I had to leave like an hour early so I could be on time, because I'm an on-time ass bitch. And I'm not about to pay, you know what I'm saying, the extra for the 10-minute grace period, or jeopardize getting my appointment canceled, because yeah. But anyways, yeah, I just had to update y'all on that, and that's why I have not got that video out for y'all. It's just been a mess. So that means y'all gonna get a double upload. But yeah, so I'm on the way to get my makeup done, so y'all gonna be with me for that probably, or I might just show y'all the before and after, because all that recording while it's just kind of like. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all. Yeah, so I made it here. Let me get my makeup done. So yeah. Okay, y'all. So I just got in the car leaving my makeup appointment. Yeah, y'all see it. Y'all see it. So I'm gonna be linking her stuff in the description, of course. Yeah. Oh, it's so cute. Thank you. Thank you, girl. Thank you. It's looking so cute. Let me go ahead and show y'all what I'm wearing tonight. Might as well. This is my purse. This motherfucker was high. So yeah. I got this. This is jazzy, you know. And this is my dress. Have like the little cowgirl things on the side, but it's real cute. It's got the slit in the middle, so it's like sexy. And yeah, thank ya. Y'all gonna see the full thing when the time comes. So where are my shoes at? Okay, I'm about to say, no, this lady didn't leave out my shoes. So these are the shoes, y'all. They obviously jazzy too, to match with the purse. So yeah, y'all see the girls. This is the toe part. I gotta figure out how this goes, because I don't know. Anyways, yeah, so these are the shoes. They real cute. Right now I'm about to go ahead and go pick up my friend. She need to find her something to wear, so I might stop by James Avery. I need to go get me a bottle. Yeah, because I'm gonna be going to my dinner a little bit intoxicated. But that's just between me and y'all. Okay, so yeah, I do got my family coming too, and my friends. So yeah, we're gonna see, baby. We went to the steakhouse. So yeah, I'm just looking cute, so I just want to stay on camera, but I can't because I gotta drive. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all. Okay, I know y'all gonna miss me, but I'm gonna get back to y'all. Okay, y'all, so I just got to Party City. I need to get a pen out of here and get some money on me.
I pull up, roll the window down it. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Wait a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit.
I just got to James Avery. I'm about to give me a ring or two, just because. Yeah. They got these charms. I want to give me a charm bracelet, but any sense you're gonna give me, I'm just gonna be adding to it. Here go the bracelets right here. Real cute, real cute. They got the Texas, all the Texas ones. Them little boots cute. I need to hurry and make a decision because I gotta go get me a bottle, y'all. Y'all know I'm trying to get drunk. And they got some cute ones right here. I don't know which one I want. Probably do like a heart one. That's what everybody do.
Yeah, I pull up, roll the window down it. I pull up, roll the window down it. Yeah, I pull up, roll the window down it. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Wait a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drum, got a nigga down with it.
So this is my car, y'all. They about to give me the ring. Oh my god, my nails look so dirty. That's because it was white and she put something on top of it, but yeah, this is my card. I'm giving these 3, so y'all gonna see. Thank you. Got makeup all on this paper.
Petty bullshit shouldn't excite you. Your birthday. It's your fucking birthday.
They don't give a fuck. Hey, you going back to the car? Yeah. No, the police outside. They got the slabs on. Look at her ass. Where's she at? Right there. This so good.
Did we watch this car though?
Yes. The car? Yeah. Oh, what the fuck y'all did y'all take?
Hey cousin.
The head big than the bitch.
The boys that be big.
Oh. She's gotta get on that rowdy.
What's wrong with her? She's like, I ain't fucking with that shit.
Okay, time to go.
What's a bloodline? I know, bro. What's a bloodline?
us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love.